Your voice still lingers in my ears. It gently echoes, wrapping me up. The days I spent with you, I can't forget them. We watched together the sunset sky. Your smile comes back to me again and again. In the midst of sadness, I found light. Though my days without you are colorless, even so, I'll keep moving forward. The little happiness you taught me, it still softly remains in my heart. Each thing we discovered together shines like a treasure, glowing bright. Your smile comes back to me again and again. In the midst of sadness, I found light. Though my days without you are colorless, even so, I'll keep moving forward. Even on nights when tears won't stop falling, your words are supporting me. In the warmth you gave me, I can become strong. Your smile comes back to me again and again. In the midst of sadness, I found light. Though my days without you are colorless, even so, I'll keep moving forward. Your smile lives in my heart, it becomes my guiding light. Your memory leads me, and I'll walk forward towards a new tomorrow.